this video, I will be showing you how to clear FiveM cache. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to simply go to your search icon here and then type run, RUN, click open. And then here you will see this person symbol, AppData person symbol. You just have to simply click OK. And then here you have to go to AppData, go to local, and then you have to look for FiveM folder. Okay, tap this one. And then here you have to double click this. Once you double click this, you have to go to data. So scroll down, tap data folder. And as you can see here, we have two folders, but sometimes when I open this one, I can also see another folder. So if you see this cache, and server cache brief, all you have to do is to select all and then click delete. Okay, so again, select all, right click, and click delete. Well, you can do that manually, and if you want to delete every file on each folder, you can also do that. But to make it easier and simple, you just have to select all, right click, and click delete. As easy as that. So that's how you clear FiveM cache.
So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.